Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So Vybz Kartel and Shenseea just dropped their second song of 2026. First, it was Panic, hit song, biggest song of the year so far. And now we have Talk to Me Now, Shenseea featuring Vybz Kartel and produced by none other than Rvssian, right? So this song is already, it was hotting up the place before the release, and we see some great visuals, so we definitely go check out the song right now and hear what Shenseea and Vybz Kartel has to say. So let's do that.
From the start, you can't stop. Me rip my place and you rip on them up. Me if you run deep, got it in too loud. Them not like me, come and play my part.
Alright, so right off the bat, Shenseea say, yo, by the way, this music video was shot in Africa. Shenseea went to Africa earlier in the year, and that's when she definitely shoot this part of the music video. Shenseea said from she start, she can't stop, right? So from she came on the scene in 2016 with Jiggle, and then Vybz Kartel gave her the big song, Lodi, and from that she just went up and up and up until she reached to Shake It to the Max global song. So from she start, she cannot stop, and she rep her place, or her Shenseea place is Jamaica. So she rep Jamaica everywhere on the map, every single where she go in the world, anywhere she go. North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia, Europe, Africa, it doesn't matter. I mean, she's in Africa right now. So she's in Africa and she's still repping Jamaica, representing for dancehall, you know what I mean? Representing for the culture. And she said, yo, them not like her because, listen, she have to roll deep because her thing large. You know what I mean? So remember, when you're at a certain level, you have to roll, you have to carry yourself. You basically have to carry yourself at the level you're at. Right? You have to operate at the level you're at. You see me? So when you're at this level, that's how you operate. When you're at this level, you operate differently. And a lot of people now gonna like her, you know what I mean? Because of whatever the reason is. You see me? And whatever their reason are, we not care. One Sheng Yang, one Gaza Nation. You see me? Yeah.
Yeah, talk to me now. Looking at me face and talk to me now. Shimmy, shimmy, shake one back piano. When I go low, let me dance piano. Let me bounce.
Jeez. Yo, I'm gonna say it. Shenseea is the most sexiest female dancehall artist I've ever seen. I'm very sure my eyes are not failing me. Let me know in the comments if your eyes are failing you or whatever the case is, because my eyes are not failing me. Shenseea say, yo, talk to me now. Looking at my face and talk to me now. So Shenseea say, yo, anything that you have to say, whether the haters have to say something negative, talk to my face. Don't go black at me and talk to my face. And if a boy like her and see her and whatever the case is, come talk to her face. So if you have something that you want to say, go and say it to Shenseea face. So talk to me now. You see me? Looking at my face and talk to me now. Shimmy shimmy shay. So this shimmy shimmy shay is basically Shenseea paying homage to Old Dirty Bastard 1995 hit song, right? And shimmy shimmy yeah. And then I believe Jason the Ruler also did a song Swallow, and him said shimmy shimmy shay. They're also paying homage. So Shenseea is paying homage with her saying that, and she said shimmy shimmy shay go on bad for me now. So Shenseea is basically saying, yo, shimmy shimmy shay go on bad for me now. She tell the man for go on bad for her, because she tell the man say, yo, come put on your best performance. You see me, come dance for me. You know what I mean? And you know what kind of dancing we are talking about. That dancing, yeah. Inna the bed dancing. You know what I mean? That's the dancing that will take place, because you're dancing with the dragon queen. You know what I mean? Dancing with the dragon queen. You get me? So, shimmy shimmy shay go on bad for me now. When I go low, man. Oh God. You know what I see when Shenseea go low? If your heart not strong, it will give way. If your heart is not strong, it will give way. You know once you Shenseea go low. Believe me. Take it as me tell you. Take it as me tell you. May I tell you? Yeah. Me na me clothes, I'm naked. Oh God. I would love to. Anyways. Yes, she said she's in her clothes, and I mean, and yes. And give me your bank, I will break it. So, if your money tall, trust me, I will break that bank. Meaning, I I will spend that money for you. If you're a billionaire, a multi-millionaire, I will be spending that money for you. You get me? And then in the song, me hear, oh, in the preview when they were in the studio, in Rvssian studio recording with Vybz Kartel, Shenseea request Vybz Kartel put the oh, like the oh, you see me, in the song.
Give her a oh.
Oh, like the original oh.
And that is her telling Vybz Kartel to do that is very smart, because it actually helped the song and give off that thing, because you're recording with Vybz Kartel. Oh, you see me? Trust me, I love that. Ooh. Give her all that money to spend, and she break the bank, and you will get the best of her. Yes, her best that she's going to give to you is contingent on her getting that money from you. So it's contingent on her being able to spend all the bread. Break the bread with her, and she will break and she will break the bank. Yes, sir, may I do that, sir? Yes, and you will get the best of. You will get the best. And she not stop. She love to break her back. She love to break her back. She love to give it to you up on the back shot. You see me? She love to bend over and make 630 and make sure so you deal with it wicked. I mean, me deal with it wicked. Come give me. You see me? Yes. Ooh. Jesus Christ, my God, just Shenseea, you know if you go on, so God know. Put on the cap. I mean, you know if you go on, so for me at all. She say her face slim and her ass fat. So all of the food where she eat up and those things, you see me, slim thick, all of the food and all of the calories and everything going at that big bumper there. Remember when Vybz Kartel said Shenseea ass I get fat? Yes, that's true. That's true, Adi, me see it.
To get paid, all this money I made. My body this and it never man made. This pussy bomb like 100 made.
Talk to me now. Looking at my face and talk to me now. Shimmy, shake, go on bad for me now. Bad. Shenseea say, yo, our pum pum bless. Our sing thing bless. It bless and our body never man made. Means say she never go up on the table. She never got Dr. Miami to achieve this body. This body was given to her by the Lord himself and by her hard work in the gym. You see me? All of the glutes workout and the gym workout and all of the work when she put in at the gym. Yes, she carve out this here the right way for herself. Genetics and also the help of the gym. Yes, so ladies, get in the gym. Get in the gym, because the body when you see on Instagram, you can't, I know so it come. You see, if you see a nice dress and you want to get in the dress, the dress not come. I don't see a girl in a dress and she look good, it never come that way. You have to go work on it. You go work on it, yes. You go work on it. And also, I want to mention that when you hear boom, you see me? When you hear that boom part there, that is basically Shenseea telling Vybz Kartel in the studio again, this is another request from Shenseea telling Vybz Kartel to do something, and he did it to enhance the song.
I can do some different boom for me too, because I want to hear something like boom.
Or like boom.
You mean like a
Boom.
Shenseea told Vybz Kartel that he should go boom, like she need a boom. And that's what Vybz Kartel did, and it's in the song, and it actually helped the song. You see me? Something like that. We need to hear Kartel now. Are you alone, me a pre and share and a ten of me? So Vybz Kartel say, yo, I'm me alone. you go get. You not get nobody else. Me not share. So I know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. I no. I no chain. We are run for you. And me alone a hang the job. Right? So no sharing non take place. Close like St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So if you know St. Vincent and the Grenadines, right, in the Caribbean Sea, basically you have St. Vincent, the single island, and then you have the Grenadines, which are small little lands made, many little lands made up the Grenadines. So Vybz Kartel is saying you're single, right? And me at the Grenadines. So all of the girls are around me. All of the girls are running me down. You see me? So me are the Grenadines. So me have multiple girls, but we still close. Yeah. So I saw me interpret that. Bring you on the yacht to pull down your Fenty jeans. Again, I'm still in the Caribbean Sea. So what gonna take place now? Bring you on the yacht, right? So we're still in the Caribbean Sea. We're still talking about St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So what is happening? We get the yacht to go to one of those little small islands, right? And then we do some little stuff, you know what I mean? And just to pull down your Fenty. Who else live in the Caribbean or is from the Caribbean? Rihanna, who is the owner of Fenty Beauty and Fenty, Savage and Fenty. Rihanna. So again, we left from St. Vincent, close like St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So we left from St. Vincent, go right up there, so. You know what I mean? If you go link up Rihanna. Again, I saw me interpret it. You see me? Spread the carpet. Come on. Red carpet. Well, actually, no. You're not a virgin, so it's not a red carpet, but spread the carpet. You know what I mean? And you know the carpet we are talking about spread that legs. You get me? So when you spread the legs, we do another spreading. You know what I mean? And then we just enter. Wait. No Russian that. A Russian this, you know? Russian, see there? Lagos, Nigeria, Russian. Yes. Russian graffiti. Big up Russian. Yeah, anyway. Spread the carpet. You know the boss rich. You know what I mean? So, boss rich. We can take care of anything. Money is not an issue. You know what I mean? You need a rent pay. You need anything taken care of. Because, most of these girls, them just have got love with for the money. You know what I mean? And I know me I get myself into. You're here for the money. So I just got to enjoy myself and do what needs to be done. You get me? And if you feel like, say, my millions is not enough. Well, go link Russian then. You see me? Yeah, because Russian multi-millionaire, rich. You see me? Yeah, from all of the multi-platinum and all these other things in the Spanish market, and you know what I mean, all of the other records where Russian been selling over the years. You get me? The money literally helped to pioneer the Latin, the reggaeton type, come up. You know what I mean? Yes, so when I say Bad Bunny and them a take over the world, a Russian literally help them from them time. The creepy Kush and them song there. You know what I mean? Faruko and them boy there, a Russian help them youth they come up. And them help Russian, in return. But again, we there for Shenseea and Vybz Kartel. Talk to me now. Ooh. Okra, steam fish crackers, them me set your panna backers. Kartel no easy, You see, the last time Kartel did a song in 2017, Vybz Kartel said, get the oats, get the them breathe 30 gala, my little zen, So Kartel know where must say, because him been telling the youths them to get the oats and get the things them. So now he must say, yo, okra, steam fish crackers. All of the, that slime there, you're going to need that slime there in your back. You're going to need the crackers mixed with that. You know what I mean? So you're going to need that type of food there, and then you go up on the work. Remember, Shenseea said she love when her back break. Kartel love to set. Kartel I go set her like how we set ice in her fridge. You get me? Yeah. Yeah, what the song Body of It? Song tough and the song music video clean. You know what I mean? As I said, Shenseea shot some part of the music video in Africa, and of course she shot some of the other parts of the music video in the US.
Yeah, talk to me now. Looking at me face and talk to me now.
Shimmy, shimmy, shake one bad for you know.
When I go low, let me dance for you now.
Shenseea, Vybz Kartel. Suck your mother, bad man.
Fully Gaza money. No thing.